Hey guys, it's Rudy from Airstrike Airsoft. While Charlie's putting in his battery, I'm going to kind of give you guys our new thing for our shooting testing crap. First of all, for the Halloween season, I got this like hay thing I found at a store for like $2 or $3. I'm going to use that for targets because the cardboard box I was using, you can see that right there, it doesn't come out the other end, so that's really nice. Really like that. And well, this will be our last video until Halloween. I'm sure I'll do some kind of Halloween special. Well, let's just get started with the video. Alright, Charlie?
Alright, I'm going to be shooting the UMP-45 on semi in full auto. So, start out with full.
You sold a 300 round high cap when you buy it?
Yeah, it comes with that. Okay.
This is about 20 feet away.
Yeah.
Maybe a little less.
Like 30.
About 20. Suggest you get mid caps. Can't tell you guys enough. Get mid caps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Takes a while.
I hate winding.
Yeah, me too.
If you guys know anything about this, I hate high caps. In my whole loadout, I got one high cap. Alright, that's video.
Is it ready?
Comment, subscribe, or favorite. Love favorites. See you guys.